Few machines on Earth represent human engineering at its absolute peak, quite like a modern aircraft engine. Every time a commercial airliner takes off, thousands of precisely manufactured components work together to generate enough power to lift hundreds of tons into the sky. These incredible machines operate in some of the harshest conditions imaginable, enduring temperatures hotter than molten lava, rotating at thousands of revolutions per minute, and producing immense thrust for hours at a time. But before an aircraft engine can power a flight across continents, it must go through one of the most advanced manufacturing processes ever developed. The journey begins long before a single piece of metal enters a factory. Teams of aerospace engineers spend years designing every component using advanced computer simulations. Every curve, every blade angle, and every internal passage is carefully optimized to maximize efficiency while minimizing weight. Even the smallest improvement can save millions of dollars in fuel over the lifetime of an engine. Once the design is finalized, the manufacturing process begins with the selection of specialized materials. Ordinary steel is not enough for an aircraft engine. Manufacturers rely on titanium alloys, nickel-based superalloys, and other advanced metals capable of surviving extreme temperatures and enormous mechanical stress. These materials arrive at the factory as massive metal billets. Each destined to become a critical engine component, the first major stage is forging. Giant industrial furnaces heat the metal until it glows bright orange. The red-hot billets are then transferred to enormous forging presses capable of exerting thousands of tons of force. Under this tremendous pressure, the metal is transformed into compressor discs, turbine discs, and structural components.
The process not only shapes the metal but also strengthens its internal grain structure, making it far more resistant to fatigue and failure. After forging, the components undergo carefully controlled heat treatment. Large industrial ovens expose the metal to precise temperatures for extended periods. This process alters the microscopic structure of the material, increasing strength, durability, and resistance to thermal stress. Every degree matters, and even slight deviations could affect the final performance of the engine. Before moving forward, every forged component must pass rigorous inspections. Advanced ultrasonic systems send sound waves through the metal to detect hidden flaws. Powerful X-ray scanners reveal internal defects invisible to the human eye. Components that fail to meet aerospace standards are rejected immediately. In aviation, there is no room for compromise. Next comes one of the most impressive stages of the process: precision machining. Massive CNC machines begin carving the forged components with astonishing accuracy. Computer-controlled cutting tools remove material layer by layer until the final dimensions are achieved. Some tolerances are measured in microns, smaller than the width of a human hair. Every cut must be perfect because even the slightest deviation can affect engine performance. Among the most challenging parts to manufacture are the turbine blades. These components operate in an environment where temperatures can exceed 1,500 degrees Celsius. To create them, manufacturers use highly sophisticated investment casting techniques. Molten superalloy is poured into precision molds designed to produce extremely complex geometries. Once cooled, the blades emerge as rough castings that require extensive finishing. The blades are then ground, polished, and refined to aerodynamic perfection. But one of the most remarkable features is still missing.
Using advanced laser systems, engineers drill hundreds of microscopic cooling holes into each blade. These tiny openings allow cooler air to flow through the blade during operation, preventing it from melting under extreme heat. To further increase durability, the blades receive thermal barrier coatings. Inside specialized coating chambers, advanced ceramic materials are applied to the surface. These coatings act as protective shields, allowing the blades to withstand temperatures that would destroy ordinary metals within seconds. While turbine blades are being prepared, other teams manufacture the combustion chamber. This critical component is where fuel and compressed air combine to produce the immense energy required for flight. Precision welding systems join complex sections together, creating a structure capable of containing intense pressure and heat. Assembly now begins. Compressor blades are carefully installed onto rotating discs, forming multiple compressor stages. These stages will eventually compress incoming air before it enters the combustion chamber. Behind them, turbine sections are assembled with equal precision. Every blade must be perfectly positioned to extract energy from the hot exhaust gases. At the same time, technicians manufacture the engine casing, a massive structure designed to contain and protect all internal components. Advanced machining systems ensure every mounting surface and connection point meets exact specifications. The compressor, combustion chamber, and turbine sections are then brought together to form the engine core. This is the heart of the aircraft engine, where air is compressed, fuel is burned, and energy is extracted. Even at this stage, engineers continue performing inspections to verify perfect alignment between rotating components. Attention then shifts to the front of the engine, where the enormous fan blades are installed. Modern fan blades are engineering marvels in their own right. Many are manufactured using advanced composite materials that provide exceptional strength while reducing weight. These giant blades are responsible for producing the majority of an engine's thrust and play a critical role in fuel efficiency. As assembly progresses, technicians install fuel lines, hydraulic systems, sensors, electronic controls, and miles of wiring. Modern aircraft engines contain sophisticated monitoring systems capable of tracking thousands of operating parameters in real time. Every connection must be flawless. With the assembly complete, the engine enters one of the most demanding phases of its journey, testing. The finished engine is transported to a specialized test cell designed to safely contain its enormous power. Here, engineers subject the engine to a series of increasingly challenging evaluations. The moment of truth arrives when the engine is started for the first time. Slowly at first, the giant fan begins to rotate. Moments later, the engine roars to life. Air rushes through the compressor, fuel ignites within the combustion chamber, and the turbine accelerates to incredible speeds. Sensors collect vast amounts of data while engineers monitor every aspect of performance. The engine is pushed through a wide range of operating conditions, from idle power to maximum thrust. Temperatures soar, vibrations are analyzed, and fuel efficiency is carefully measured. Only engines that successfully pass every test move forward. After testing, inspectors conduct final examinations and review thousands of pages of performance data. Once certified, the engine is approved for delivery and prepared for installation on an aircraft. What began as raw metal has now become one of the most sophisticated machines ever created. Thousands of components, countless hours of engineering, and extraordinary manufacturing precision have combined to produce a machine capable of connecting continents and carrying millions of passengers safely through the skies. Few machines on Earth represent human engineering at its absolute peak quite like a modern aircraft engine. Every time a commercial airliner takes off,